In this video, I am about to show you how to easily learn Ukrainian in Memrise. If you want to learn Ukrainian with Memrise, then your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Ukrainian like a local. Start by opening the Memrise website and sign up for a free account to search for Ukrainian courses. It finds you thousands of authentic video lessons to learn Ukrainian, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise teaches you the Ukrainian vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. It provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Ukrainian learning. Courses are usually divided into levels or modules focusing on vocabulary, phrases, and grammar. Memrise uses spaced repetition algorithms to optimize your learning. This means you'll review words and phrases at intervals that reinforce memory. You can engage with the content through multiple choice questions and typing exercises, which enhance recall and comprehension. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. Memrise primarily focuses on vocabulary acquisition, which may not provide in-depth knowledge of grammar or complex sentence structures. Since some courses are user-generated, the quality and accuracy of the material can vary significantly. Some may not be as well structured or researched. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.